If you are the one whose near and dear ones, friends, or relatives are admitted in hospital and need blood during the emergency. So during the days of lockdown, it is very difficult to get help from the others. Even if someone is willing to donate blood, they can't come out from their home and donate blood. Well, in that case, you don't need to worry as the government of India has started a e-Raktkosh service under the Digital India initiative that allow people to check blood availability all over the country, no matter in which state you are, no matter in which city you are, no matter in which district you are. You can get the blood in your nearest blood bank and you can get the details easily. So for that, there are two options. One is you can download the Umang app from the Google Play Store or Apple Store and complete the registration process there. And the second process is you can log in to the e-Raktkosh portal of the Government of India, and there you can check the blood availability across India. As far as the using the Umang app is concerned, now log into the Umang app and then tap on the search button at the top and type e-Raktkosh or blood availability. Okay, so once you type here, you will get the two options e-Raktkosh and e-Rakt. Okay, then you need to choose e-Raktkosh option from the search result. The fourth step is now you can tap on the check blood availability option. Okay, and the fifth step is you can enter the necessary details such as location and distance, range in which you want to check the blood availability, and you can even tap on the filter search and specify the blood group, blood components, hospital type and units, and you will get the desired result just below the screen. So this is how you can get the blood availability details on the Umang app. Now to check the blood availability details on the e-Raktkosh website, I will take you to the laptop and I will show you how you can check the blood availability details there on the e-Raktkosh portal. My name is Chandan. Welcome to the tutorials. If you are new to our channel, I request you to please subscribe our channel and please like and share our video. So let's start our video. Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials. Well, to check the blood availability details on the e-Raktkosh website by Government of India, open any browser, go to Google and type e-Raktkosh. Type e-Raktkosh and press enter. The first website you can see www.e-Raktkosh.in. Just click on it. Go to the services tab and here the third option is blood availability. Click on it. Now here you can select the state. Here you can, in the next option you can select the district. In the third option you can select the particular place. Okay, or you can leave it a blank. You can select the blood group which you need, and you can select the blood component. You can need plasma, platelets, anything. Okay, so you can select from the list here, and then you need to select the search button. So here you can get the details of the hospital, okay, or the blood bank where the blood is available. This is the category. Okay, so the government and the private category both will be displayed. This is the availability of the blood group. Okay, and then the last updated details and these are the blood bank. Okay, so you can get the telephone number, email address, then fax number, so you can contact those blood banks and you can ask for the required blood group and they will certainly help you. So this is how you can get the blood for the needy people in your vicinity and you can help them. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.